Good morning, YouTube fam. You guys, I don't know what I've got myself into this time. We're going to work on better ways, easier ways to curl your hair. I have a couple contraptions here, plus my old ones over there, including the curling rod, which, as you all know, those rods get hot. They're big. You've got to wrap your hair around them. Your wrists are aching. Your hands are aching. Your arms are tired. So your girl got sent the automatic curler. Yeah, it's a heck of a contraption. And y'all, I would love to tell you who the company is that sent this to me, but I can't find their name on here anywhere. ROHS. I don't know, you guys. Here's the box that it came in. From what I've looked around online, it's about $30 to $40. Y'all, it took some work to get it to work. And then I also have the Beachwaver S-1 series. Now, it's not, well, it's kind of an automatic curler. It has the little clamp here, and then this is the part where the automatic comes in. It has a home button up here, and then the way you turn it is right here. So you guys, we're going to get into this, see which one is easier, how hot they get, how long they hold the curl. The Beachwaver S-1 series is going for about 60 bucks. I got this coincidentally on sale for $30. The same time I got sent this one. And they said, I remember at the time I got sent this one, they said the value of it was $30. So you guys, let's see which is easier, which is best, how long the longevity of the curls are, all that type of good stuff. And your girl will see you soon. All right, loves, good morning. So I really love curling my hair, or I don't love curling my hair. I love the way my hair looks when it's curled, especially when I have it down. But today we're just going to have it parted here in two sections in my normal high ponytail. Yeah, your girl loves her ponytails high. And you guys, we're going to try out these new automatic curling contraptions. And let's see which one is worth your money. Which one is easier? Which one is going to make my wrist continue to ache and hurt? I do have arthritis in both wrists. I've had carpal tunnel surgery done on both hands. I've also had an ulnar nerve transition. Yeah, your girl's body has been through it, and I need easier ways of doing things in my life. So, without further ado, I've already got my heat protectant on my hair. It's already been nice and combed out. I have fine hair, but it's very thick, like thick hair, as you can see. Very thick hair, very long, very gorgeous. I love my hair. So, this little contraption here was very hard to figure out. I actually had to have my husband help me get it figured out. So, it has the on and off button right here. And, okay, you push that button to turn it on. And then over here is where you change the heating degrees. Now, I already know because I have fine, thick hair, I need for this to be over 400 degrees. And this goes up to, okay, this only goes up to 200 degrees here. So, we'll see how that works out, if I can even get this thing to work again. Okay, so it's beeped at me 3 times. That should mean that it's heated up and ready to go. You guys seen how quick that was? And then it shut off. Well, let's just see if we can go ahead and do it. So I'm going to section my hair out here. You don't want a lot in this one, you guys. Your hair goes down in this tunnel, and it wraps around it, and then you just hold it there and release, and your little curl comes out. So we're going to try it. Let's see if I can even do it again. I'm telling y'all, it was a booger to try to figure this out. And it shut off again. Yeah, it shut completely off again, you guys. Gosh darn it. Huh. I'm not sure what's going on with it now. We're going to go ahead and use the Beachwaver first. Alright guys, so the problem with that one was it needed charging again. I've literally tried it out one time and then I couldn't figure it out, so I had to have Jimmy play with it. And I guess when he was playing with it, the battery died. I had charged it up completely full before he started playing with it, and he played with it for like 20 minutes to try to figure it out. So that explains the battery longevity. Not very long. So we're going to play with the Beachwaver first. Now, you guys, I plugged this in and I set my temp at 410 degrees because I know that's what I need for my hair to be able to be curled and stayed. Or so that's the way it is with my curling rod. I'm excited for this one. I've wanted this for so long, you guys. This was the first automatic curling iron that I ever seen, and I was like, oh my God, I have got to have this. So thankfully, they had their sale before Christmas, and I got it for $30, and I posted a picture about it when they were having it on sale on my Instagram. I was so excited. Okay, so we're going to, like I said, we already got the hair parted, already got our heat treatment on there. See, it's all nice and straight. Okay, let's do this, you guys. I'm really excited about it. I love it when my hair is curled, but it just hurts. It hurts so much to do it. Okay, guys, so it has a plus and a minus over here. Oh, I'm sorry, no, this has the arrows. So if you want your curl to go inward, you hit that one. If you want it to go outward, you hit this one. And then down here is your heat adjustments, plus and minus, and then there's your power button. All right, guys. Oh, and there's the home button to change everything. And it has over here on this side, whether you want to curl it fast or if you want your little toggle to slow down some. If you can't do it real fast, you're not used to curling your hair, use the slow one. Okay, I'm going to go on slow since it's the first time I've ever used it. I'm so excited. All right, let's do this. Okay, nice and clean, nice and straight. About an inch, a half an inch worth of hair. Start from the bottom. Raise your little clippy. Slide her down. And let's turn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. That is so easy. Now, there is not a timer on this. So just count to yourself. I usually leave it here about 15 seconds. We're about 7 now. All right, we're at 15. Now hit your opposite direction to make it come out. Oh, there it is. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let's get that one out of the way. Let's continue just going through this side. And out here is where I'll speed the video up for you guys so you don't have to sit through it. Alright guys, I am on my last curl here with the Beachwaver, and I learned something and I want to share it with you guys. So when you go all the way down to where you want your curl to start, keep it pulled taut when you go to do your turning. That is going to keep your hair as close to the iron as possible. So I was doing it loosely on some and tight on others, and you can see the difference in the curls. But so far, you guys, I'm loving it. And in the, 3 minutes it took me to do this, the other one's still charging. So hopefully, here in a few minutes, we'll be able to use that one. And I'll show you guys which one's easier. Oops, I forgot what I was doing, talking. Let's go ahead and release it. And you want to flip it and then just hold it so you can pull it down and set it. And you guys, this whole side of my head is done. Look at that. Look at those. Isn't that so pretty? I love soft, bouncy curls. I just love them. They're so pretty. All right, guys. I'm going to see how long it takes this one to charge. It's still charging. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys. So, I guess I didn't tell you guys. This is ran by a USB port. You have your port right down here, and you just let it charge. For that amount of time, we got 1 battery strength. Now, this does only go up to 200 degrees, so we're going to hurry up and try to get some of this done before my battery runs out again. The exact instructions is the same amount of hair as the Beachwaver, about an inch, half an inch worth of hair. Now, Jimmy showed me how to do this, dang it. You put your hair in this. Oh, it's already dying, you guys. Oh! Be right back. All right, you guys, while that thing's getting a good charge, we're going to go ahead and go about our day. We're going to take this hair here, keep it separate from our Beachwaver curls, And we're just going to pin this little baby up. Let's go get some stuff done today. We'll come back in a minute and see how much charge we got on that thing. I mean, it's already been charging for a good 10 minutes. And you'll see how much battery strength I got in it. That's a big inconvenience. All right, loves. I'll see you. All right, guys. So we're 20 minutes in now. And this one's still charging. But here is the name of the company that sent it to me. JLLOM. I do not know what those initials stand for. And if that is how you write it, I don't know how to pronounce it. But thank you for sending this to me. When it gets done heating up, charging, not heating up, charging, I'll let y'all know how it goes. Now, as far as the Beachwaver go, here's our curls 20 minutes in, you guys. They're still the same way they were whenever I first done it, but it has an instant shut-off valve. So I guess after about 15 minutes, I'm going to assume, because I didn't read it, it shuts down by itself. So if you forget to turn it off, it's going to do it for you. And as forgetful as your girl is, she definitely needs that kind of stuff in her life. So far, I'm loving the Beachwaver. Like, I'm a little fed up with waiting on that one. But I do want to try it. I mean, thank you for sending it to me for review. I really, really want to try it. But it says we have 2 batteries now. But that's what it also said the first time around when I tried doing this video. And it died as soon as I turned it on. So I'm going to let it charge just a little bit more, guys. But look at these Beachwaver curls. I'm loving it. All right, you guys. It's been about an hour. I've ate some lunch. Messed up my lipstick. Got some laundry done. Did my dishes. This has 3 battery strengths now. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And I'm going to give it a try. The Beachwaver curls are still lasting. Just soft, naturally flowing little curls. I love that. That's so cute. Okay. So here's our power button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hopefully it stays on this time. It's all lit up. Over here you have your plus and minus for your heat. I'm going to go ahead and get it up as high as it'll go. Because I know my hair's it only goes up to 200. Okay, so it's heating up. That's what the little red lights there are. It means it's heating up. All right, it stopped blinking. That means it should be ready to go. And it is curling right. Now, I had to get Jimmy to figure that one out. It has a little R right there. So, it has a menu button, and you have to scroll through it, and you can put it on whether you want it to curl the left ways or right ways. Okay. It was quite difficult to try to figure it out to get it to even work in the first place. So that's why we had Jimmy help us. All right, you guys. So what you do is I've learned you have to hold it like this. You see, there's your barrel where your opening is where you slide your hair in. There's the barrel. There's the opening. Hold it like this and cup your hair just like that. And then right here's your start button. And it sucks your hair in. See, I can never get it to go up any further. It has the timer. You hear it beeping. And it was like 18 seconds is what we set the timer for. All right, and there's our last beeps. We got a tiny little curl. Let's see if we can get one to do it any better. Like, that's a fabulous concept. Like, what a great idea. But for people with really long hair like mine, yeah, that little tiny curl ain't going to get us fur, is it? Not fur at all. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more in there. It just doesn't want to take the rest of my hair in. Oh, there we go. It stops on its own once the barrel gets full. That's convenient. This is made for like shoulder length or shorter hair, I think. All right, we got our last beeps. That's what we got again. Compared to Beachwaver. Huh. So, you guys, I'm going to say this is a no-go for your girl. My hair is just way too long for it. I will play around with it some more. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. Just like that again. Yeah. Okay. That was a lot to wait through for this one to get it charged up. It took over an hour to get 3 batteries. It was a booger to get set up. Yeah, I read the instructions, you guys, and I got nowhere with it. My hair got jammed up in it because I thought you had to push the button to reverse curl. No, you just let it fall down. This might be great for shoulder length or even shorter hair, but for really long hair like your girls, I think I'm gonna stick with the Beachwaver. Like, that was really convenient. The Beachwaver or my curling rod. Now, the curling rod, when I use it, I still have to use it the exact same amount of time. It heats up to 410 degrees, just like the Beachwaver does. But it's not automatic curling like the Beachwaver. It's just not. That is the most phenomenal part of this that I love so much. My wrists are not killing me. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this side of my hair with this. And let's call it. I say the Beachwaver wins, y'all. I'll leave links down in my description for everything as usual, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give the video a like. And your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.